Hey everyone, okay, so VHS compact tape is in here. I'm going to show you how easy or what problems come about from dirty heads on VCRs. So, no picture, but if you fast forward it, you can see the picture. So, this is what you get a lot of with transfer companies, especially Legacy Box, South Tree, and Kodak digitizing services. Now, for these companies that have got millions of dollars behind them, I do not understand how they haven't figured out basics of video transfers. So these tapes here are pretty filthy. I've cleaned them up. They've been left outside in the heat, and you can get
Your
these.
video and audio heads will now be cleaned. This is a mono audio test.
So very slowly you start to see the picture and it starts to clear it up. This doesn't always do the trick because you have to take the lid off and then get
your video and audio heads are now clean. Press stop.
Watch this. Let's see if we can get a picture on it now. Otherwise I'm gonna have to pull this VCR and put another one in and clean it properly. It's a little better. Yeah, I'm gonna have to probably pull this, but let's give it another whirl and see what we can get. But it's very common, especially with tapes that have not been stored right.
Stereo audio test.
This is a job here. I mean, even rats have gnawed through this one. But yeah, these are the worst of the tapes. Terrible quality. Yeah, this one here needs to be pulled and cleaned, so I will get that rolling. Okay, I've just cleaned the heads. I had to take this out, take all the screws out, and get into the guts of it. So this is what you use. You have chamois tips. So this is clean. Hold on. That's clean. That's the head. You can see kind of the brown. There we go. That shows it right there. So that's all clean. Put back together. Pop the tape in, and let's have a look. Drum roll. Hey, there we go. Oops, I spoke too soon. Oh, maybe not. Okay, so you know that can be common. Just those static bits at the beginning, these tiny little bits there. But yeah, you can see perfect picture, audio, and that is that's okay. So very quickly here, companies like Legacy Box, South Tree, Kodak digitizing. I just go to their reviews if you are thinking about those companies. Oh my God. Lots of money and resources for those companies, and they still haven't figured out head cleaners and how to clean heads, or hire staff that know what they're doing. Instead, they see static and then they put these stickers. They're just like, you know what? This tape looks like crap. Instead of me figuring out if it's this or this, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this sticker on a tape. And I've got videos showing this, and some of you that have already been through them. And this is the sticker from them, and it says, due to the age of the media, there were existing quality issues on the item that may be reflected on the digitized copy as well. So yeah, that's their little cheater, get out of any responsibility sticker. So, you know, I see tapes in all shapes and conditions. You can see them here. This is a bit of an extreme case. Pretty disgusting. I've cleaned these up, and look, all broken. And it looks like a nice rodent has gnawed through, and maybe gnawed through this as well. Piece is missing. And when people go, oh, wait a minute, you're expensive compared to the Legacy Box, which are you might as well light the money on fire. These are the repair bills that I get for stuff that I can't handle through Arizona Video Electronics, which is located conveniently right next door to me at Got Memories here. And I'm going to zoom in, $354 for fixing 3 decks that a customer's job completely wrecked the heads, and I had to replace all the heads. So yes, this is not cheap. If you are looking to do this once and once only and have really nice picture quality, somebody that's conscientious on the other end that you can tell knows what they're doing, gotmemories.com. My name's Phil. Got a YouTube channel full of videos from all over the place. If you are looking around for a company, one thing that you need, sorry to make you dizzy here, one thing that you need to look at online is Google reviews. Forget Yelp. This is 237 reviews. So, to have that many reviews takes a lot of work and also tells a story. And 5.0. So if you are looking on Google at companies, you must go to Google, because Yelp is all paid ads and I hate Yelp. So you need to do your due diligence. A lot of companies outsource. You don't know exactly who's doing the work. They say they do it and they ship it out the back door. Who else? Just lots of other online companies. So reviews you need to look at, and also a YouTube channel with the owner, whoever, employees, with videos showing you complete transparency of all the equipment and the ins and the outs of, just helpful educational advice. Not trying to ram sales down your throat. Just going, look, this is what it is. You got one copy of this stuff. You have to trust the person who's doing the job. I've been doing this for 20 years. I'm the owner. That's why the reviews are through the roof. Because typically in businesses, customer service sucks. But I'm from England, if you haven't figured that out already. I grew up in a small village, been an entrepreneur since I was in high school, and word got quickly around the village I lived in if you did crap work. So I've got that same kind of ethos, if that's the right word, and just really take care of everybody that's a customer of mine. And I am not the cheapest, and I never will be, because I do quality work, and you're hiring a professional as opposed to a $12 an hour person that they dragged off the street that probably didn't even know what a VHS tape was until they got the job. I'm monitoring all this stuff, so if any of these tapes are acting up, I can see it immediately and I can stop it and figure out why. Is it the tape or is it the player? So these tapes, the chemicals, especially late 80s, because of environmental concerns, they stopped putting Freon into the makeup of the tape. So there was a span of time where the tapes got sticky, and if there was a little bit of humidity, they'd stick and just clog heads. And I deal with that constantly. So there's no one magic machine. Everyone's in the same boat. And then you just basically giving CPR to old equipment. But if you know what you're doing, you can make it look really nice and clean, even when they're crappy tapes like that. So, but even people that have got perfect tapes, they go, oh, they're great. I don't know where they've been. So I've got to undo a lot of this stuff, a lot of the problems, a lot of the neglect over the years, so to get the best out of them. So that takes a lot of time. It takes equipment, expertise, and money. So if you are searching around for the cheapest price, good luck, because you buy cheap and you will buy twice, and you will get a lot of drama. All you got to look is on Facebook and Instagram ads for all those companies mentioned, and check the comments. And all it is people going, where's my stuff? And they're on Facebook going, where's my stuff? Because they don't return calls, emails, 45-minute hold times. When it's your home movies you got one copy of, and you're sending it into an abyss, a black hole with people that don't care. It's all about this. So, it's that's that. So anyway, all the best. Hope I haven't scared you too much, but it really is buyer beware. So if you are looking around the internet, not here to ram Got Memories down your throat, but just take the information I've given you and kind of look around. If you do need a quote, you can go to gotmemories.com. There'll be a link in the description. That's pretty much it. All right. Cheers, guys.